Mall of Asia, MOA. So Filipino call it MOA, which is the second largest shopping store in the world. So yes, let's get started and let's see what's interesting inside this mall, because it consists 3,500 shopping stores and the ice skating stores and the cinemas. So yes, let's get a tour of the Mall of Asia. Let's see what's interesting inside this mall. So yes, I'm here in the front of Mall of Asia and I'm going to enter into the Mall of Asia because it's covered too much space, and this is the reason it is the second largest world's Mall of Asia. So I'm going to heading into the Mall of Asia. So yes, be with me and enjoy my vlog. Show you the view of MOA decoration. How does it look like during Christmas? So yes, let's get started. And this is actually located at the Manila Bay, and it's actually covered the large spaces in the Manila, Philippines. So yes, and this is the reason it became the second largest mall in the world, having 3,500 shopping store and cinemas and ice skating store. And you can find here the number of international brands like MAC, H&M, Kiko, Dyson. So yes, if you want to visit Philippines, you must visit the MOA because this is the second largest shopping mall in the world. Going to visit the National Bookstore, which is the very largest chain of bookstore in Philippines and having 230 branches in all over the Philippines. You must visit the National Bookstore in the Philippines, and you can find it every mall. Like I am in MOA, so here I found the National Store book. And if you go to the next mall like Ayala Malls or in the another city, like right now I'm in the Manila, so if you want to go to the Cubao or Quezon City or Makati, you can find the number of National Bookstore because they're having a 230 branches of bookstore in the Philippines. Can you believe? So if you are a book lover and if you want to purchase any kind of book, so you must visit the National Bookstore. So I'm going to visit the National Bookstore. Let's have enjoy. And this is how I found my favorite Sudoku game. Actually, this is not the game. This is a cover photo of this copy. But this is my favorite game, Sudoku. And I'm champion of this game actually. If you want to play with me, the Sudoku game, then comment me. Guys, here I found a number of outlets like Victoria's Secret, Pen Shoppe, which is actually the Philippines known outlet for the clothes and for the perfume. So Pen Shoppe is one of the best outlet in the Philippines. There's a number of outlets like Mango, Guess. So what I'm going to do, actually I'm going to explore the entire MOA mall. So I'm going to show you the 360-degree light. So guys, I'm going to show you the MOA's famous 360-degree LED. So yes, have a look. So this is a MOA 360-degree LED light, which is actually going viral on the social media. So I have seen a number of videos on social media. So I'm going to show you the entire look of this 360-degree LED in MOA. How does it look like actually? actually I'm going to upside to post the entire view of the 360-degree LED of MOA. How does it look like from the first floor of the MOA mall? So yes, let's get started. Okay, it looks amazing. Alright, it's actually the center of the MOA. So let's get started. It's actually the heart of the MOA and it's amazing. I mean, the 360-degree LED light is very amazing and oh my god! Look at the video! And actually it's this attraction point of the MOA and the video attracting the tourists to watch and to shoot the video of this 360-degree LED light of MOA because it's decorated in a natural theme base, so it's actually attracting to tourists, to us, so it's very beautiful. I mean, it's amazing. And look at the background decoration. Actually this light is attracting to tourists because it is decorated on the nature based theme, so it is amazing. I mean, look at the video, it's totally nature based video playing on this LED light, so it's attracting to tourists and other tourists also, and it's actually the attraction of the MOA, the 360-degree light of the MOA. So this is the view actually. And here, this is the Zara outlet behind me, and this is the entire view. Actually, this is not the entire view. How much I can capture in my phone, this is the view actually. I think it's in the shape of the oval shape, so I think it's similar to the Okada Casino. I feel so because I have visited once Okada Casino and I feel that it seems like, oh, this is how it looks, and this portion, I think this is similar to Okada Casino because Okada Casino seems like this. So this is the view, and I mean, I am too much impressed by the decoration. There are a number of decoration, there are a number of light, bright light decorated to the mall. So here Uniqlo outlet and the Le Labo outlet, there are a number of outlets you can find here because this is the world second largest mall, so you can find a number of outlets here. You can find a number of food outlet, cloth outlet, each and every outlet you can find here because this is the world's second largest mall. So yes, I'm here and enjoying the entire decoration. Now I am at the first floor of the mall, so here I'm gonna show you that how the decoration looks like from the first floor of the mall. So I want to show you that Uniqlo outlet is, I mean, it is spread in a too much area. So I want to show you how much space Uniqlo outlet is covered. It actually starts with there and then it covered the entire area and then it ends there. So yes. from this point. This gives you the proper view of the mall. How does it look like actually? This view from this point, you can look at the both point of the decoration. So left to right, you can see the decoration. Oh my god, it's so amazing. And it's full of the people. I mean, it's not much crowded, but yes, there are number of people visiting the mall. Actually, I'm going to opposite side of the mall where I was earlier. So there are number of outlets I can visit in Moa, and there are number of food restaurants even, and number of shoes outlet, number of clothes outlet I have seen here. And it's actually the specialty about this mall. It is not much crowded. I mean, there are number of people, but it is not much crowded. Like no noise. It's a very calm place, I think. So now I am on the opposite side of the mall where I was earlier. So this is the view. How does it look like from the other side of the mall? And actually it's covered too much space, and this is the reason this mall is covered too much space, and this is the reason this mall is world's second largest mall. You know, can you believe I'm in this world's second largest mall? The number of edges you can stand and take a look of this decoration. So there are number of edges you can stand. Like I'm now on the opposite side of the mall, and look, oh my god, it's looking amazing. This is actually the another edge I'm standing here, and it's actually the different decoration here in this side of the mall. So from this point I have seen a Christmas tree which is 142 feet lengthy. So I'm going to near this Christmas tree to watch how does it look like actually, because this is very long Christmas tree in the Moa, in fact in the Philippines. So I'm going to near the Christmas tree to show you that how does it look like 5 feet long Christmas tree. You know, you are going to enjoy, you are going to watch the longest Christmas tree in the Moa. So yes, have a look. 1, 2, 3. prestige of the Philippines, and it actually started in the 18th century in the Philippines. So I want to show you the height of this statue. This is actually very long. So this is actually still used in Intramuros in Philippines, and it's actually started in 18th century in the Philippines, and it's actually represented the prestige and the identification of the people in the Philippines. So yes, take a view. This is the jeepney, the well-known public utilized transport in the Philippines, and it actually drop you within a very low budget. So this is my favorite transport here in the Philippines, the jeepney. So have a look, and it actually look like a bus, a mini bus. So and the jeepney brand is actually the Mercedes, and this is actually the prestige of the Philippines, I can say actually. I'm gonna show you the closest view of the 50 feet long Christmas tree. So how does it look like? I'm gonna show you the closest view of this Christmas tree. Here I have seen that it's written in this Christmas tree that Malango Pasoy. So I have googled what does this mean. So I found that this means Merry Christmas. So Merry Christmas to you all, Malango Pasoy. Impressed with the decoration, how they actually represented their ground things. Like people are too much linked to their ground. They're very ground to earth people, and this is the reason they represented their public utility services, and they represented their next public utility Kesaba. So it's actually used in the Intramuros. You can find there, you can see their Philippines national dish lechon. So actually they represented all their grounded things. Actually I'm too much impressed with their decoration, because their decoration represented their grounded things. Like they are too much connected with their grounds. Like they are like what we say, ground to earth people. So they are very kind people, and it's represented in their decoration. Like they also represented their national dish, which is lechon, and next they also represented here the jeepney, which is also the public utility bus, and they also represented their Kespa, which is the next actually used in Intramuros in Philippines. If you want to ride this, so you just need to go to the Intramuros. So actually I have not tried this yet, but yes, I have visited the Intramuros, and there I have seen this ride. So actually it was started in the 18th century, and it's actually the symbol of the prestige. So I'm too much impressed with their decoration. Like their decoration is a theme, like their ground theme based decoration they do in all over the buildings and all over the malls. So I have seen this only in the MOA. So I'm too much impressed with their decoration. How do they decorate the mall. So the number of tourists can see what is the specialty of the Philippines, their lechon, their jeepney. So yes. Point SM Cares. Here you can donate if you want to donate. So this is the actually foundation of the SM, and if you want to purchase the Beers of Joy, you have to purchase buy one and get one. Of the purchase of buy one. So and everything they promote local. So yes, if you want to visit Philippines, you must have to familiar with their local taste, their local places. So yes, what are you waiting for? You must visit the MOA Mall of Asia, which is the second largest shopping mall in the world. So I'm gonna show you the another blinks of the MOA. So let's get ready.
क्या हट क्यों गई?
ये कौन आ गया? कितना अच्छा लग रहा है ना यार फोटो में, इसमें देखने में। ये मुझे लग रहा है प्रोजेक्टर है क्या पिंटू?